Attorney, pwede ko bang hiwalayan ang mister ko pag nalaman kong siya ay bakla? Alamin natin. The answer under the family code is no. No? The fact that your husband or your wife change their sexual orientation, homosexuality alone is not a ground for the annulment of your marriage. Then what is the ground, attorney? The ground is concealment of homosexuality, o tinatawag nating fraudulent grounds. No? You can annul a marriage if it affected the consent. No, meaning that at the time of your marriage, take note, at the time of your marriage, hindi at this present time, at the time of your marriage, your husband or your wife was already a homosexual. Of course, you need to prove that. No? And that your husband or your wife has deliberately or intentionally concealed his or her homosexuality. So there must be an intention, no, a deliberate intention to conceal his or her homosexuality for it to be a ground for annulment. So the mere fact that, let's say, for example, at the time you were married, your husband was still attracted to girls or to women, no? But after 10 years or after 5 years, sa kanya lang na-realize na babae pala siya. That is not a ground for annulment. No, homosexuality is not a ground for annulment. It is the concealment of homosexuality at the time of the marriage. Now, attorney, ano din ang gagawin ko kung hindi ko maanal ang aming marriage? No? Magsasama kami pa rin? No? Are we still bound to live together if ayaw niya na sa akin or ayaw ko na sa kanya? And we are already having a lot of misunderstanding. So that is the time when we turn into a different remedy. We have what we call legal separation. No? Under legal separation, homosexuality can be a ground for you to be legally separated from your husband or from your wife. So take note, homosexuality is a ground for legal separation, not for annulment. For annulment cases, it is the concealment of homosexuality at the time of the marriage. So yun lang.